Hello and welcome back to another exciting DIY tutorial. Today I will show you how to make a spiral rope necklace with fringe. Let's dive right in. To do this technique, you must learn the basic spiral rope technique. After weaving the desired length of necklace, then take your measuring tape, determine the middle point. The length of mine is 16 inches, the middle point is 8 inches. The design can start wherever you want it. I started at 4 inches, beading in one direction to the middle point. Now tie the fishing line to the bead at exactly 4 inches point. Then pass the needle through the other 2 beads. Put in 5 seed beads, 1 crystal bead, and 3 seed beads. Take the needle back into the crystal bead, omitting the 3 seed beads, and then into the 5 seed beads. Pass it into the 3 beads on the spiral rope where you began from. Then pull the thread. Next, pass the needle into the next 3 beads and continue to repeat the same process till you get to the 8 inches middle point. Repeat the same for the other side of the necklace, and that's how I came about this design. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more creative works. See you in my next video.